to other sectors also, like healthcare, finance, etc.
But increasing the information technology will reduce the employment. If the IT sector is increased, then we are reducing the manpower and it will increase in the unemployment of the people.
But IT sector and rest of the sectors are independent of each other.
There are many people which are being employed in the IT sector.
Speak one at a time.
Please speak one at a time. Please go for it. We will go from it.
Yeah, I think IT in India gives a big boost to the economy because many sectors and many youth which are going into engineering are basically coming out to be a boon for our country and its development. Also, other fields are getting much advantage because of IT, and it is a digital world, and we have to cope up with that. And IT is becoming IT including so many other things like AI and so much of advancement. We and our youth needs to cope up with that. And also India's economy is basically about all about IT, and not only IT can be used in computer science and all of technology and digital, but also like the schemes which we are using. So the survey we are keeping and that needs to be maintained using the IT. So this is a big part, and also industries are getting so much recognition because of this.
I would like to add to Sara's point that since India is the fifth largest economy, and according to the IMF reports, India will be fourth largest economy in the financial year 2025-26, and this is because the contribution of service sector. In the service sector, there is 10% involvement of IT sector. And IT is not just increasing unemployment, because if we see various other sectors, for example textile industry, manufacturing industries, in everything IT is being used. For example, software for manufacturing.
The government can caution against it and remove the people from the flooded areas, especially there, and also provide distance smart lending as people under that's the main characteristic of the people under poverty is the lack of education and lack of health infrastructure. And all, as Vaishnavi has mentioned that AI has also given jobs to the people, but I would disagree on one point that the people who are skilled, like people who has done basic schooling in college, would get job in the AI. The person who is already poor and doesn't have basic information